students. Today, we're going to be thinking like scientists. So, we're going to have an experiment and we're going to make observations. Imagine our experiment is very simple. We're just lighting a candle and observing the candle and its flame. What sort of observations could you make about the candle or the flame? Erin, yes.
It's warm.
Okay, and how do you tell it's warm?
You can feel it.
Nice. What about you, Gil?
The candle is melting.
Okay, how do you know?
Because you can see it.
That's exactly right. What about you, Melissa?
Well, you could maybe tell by the height of the candle how long it's been melting for.
Oh, I like that. How would you tell how tall the candle flame is?
Use a ruler.
Okay, so we've got a few different observations, and you can break observations into qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative ones are ones we can observe with our five senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste, but scientists don't do a lot of tasting. Quantitative observations are ones that we use instruments to measure. For instance, using a meter stick, or you can use a stopwatch to time things, or anything else like that, or a thermometer to measure the heat. So, thinking back over our observations, now we can classify them. On your imaginary whiteboards, I'll give you an observation, and then you can draw what you use to observe it with. Either an eye, a nose, maybe like a stopwatch or something. Okay, so what about the observation, how long the candle takes to melt? Do a little drawing. Oh, what have you got there, Erin?
It's a stopwatch.
Oh, perfect. I see a lot of stopwatches. Looks like we're understanding things. And how do you tell what color the flame is? What do you use to observe that? What have you got, Gil?
It's a spectrometer.
Oh, fantastic. What about you, Melissa?
I just have a picture of my eye.
That's probably more within our means, Gil. So that's a qualitative observation. Now, I want each of you to picture a member of your family. Okay. What are you picturing, Melissa?
I'm picturing my sister.
What about you, Erin?
Also my sister.
What about you, Gil?
I'm picturing my sister.
Wonderful. Now I want you to think of some observations you can make about them. Anything about them, their lifestyle, how they look, who they are, and I want you to make a table, and on one side write qualitative, on the other quantitative, and list some observations on both sides. I see lots of different stuff here. Good. Okay. Alright, that's good. Gil, what do you have under qualitative?
I have she's blonde, she's sassy, she's smart.
Okay.
And yeah.
How do you observe those things?
The blonde, I can see with my eyes. The other two are cold. It's information that I have observed over a long period of time with my
you hear her conversation.
I hear her, I see her, the way she acts. Yeah.
Cool. And what do you have under quantitative?
She's 25 years old. She's 5 foot 5 inches tall.
And how would you measure how tall she is?
Using a ruler or a yardstick.
Yeah, perfect. What do you have, Melissa?
I have that my sister has curly hair under qualitative, and under quantitative I have her age and her height and her weight.
Awesome. Good job, guys.